Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi Live Coding. In this episode, we're gonna do something simple in SpreadShop. It's basically I'll be using a simple deformation node, and we're gonna create a structure that you might be familiar with, but you don't know how to make it until today. So let's get started. Simple deformations and viewer draw. So simple deformations, if you can guess from the notes, you can do like easy twisting, bending, and tapering. And I think it's a really cool node. It looks like not so powerful, but it's very powerful. And the easiest way to try this is to use cylinder. So by default, cylinder will generate a cylinder, of course, and you can control the height and whatever. And you can actually already do the tapering using a cylinder in SpreadShop, so that's pretty cool. But with simple deformations, you can actually do a little bit more. For example, the twisting here, you can see right away we can use this to create this kind of structure, control the height. This is the geometry structure that I was talking about. And you can get rid of the cap if you don't want to have the top cap and the bottom cap. And you can also do things like tapering, of course, with low limit and high limit. Lock X and Y actually pretty cool as well. And there's also bending. So with bending, you can quickly generate interesting shapes of object. It's probably bending not in the correct directions, but maybe we can fix that using matrix in. So you can sometimes this guy is not too obvious. So that's doing the rotation. I think the one I want is rotation in the z-axis maybe, or y-axis. The origin is try vector in. Yeah, maybe not too clear that way unless if we rotate the cylinder. So now it's that's the bending that I was talking about. It's probably easier if we can visualize the matrix. I think we have matrix Euler. We can plug into this guy and maybe we can rotate it. So that's 100. Let's try 010. No different. So that's doesn't do too much. But anyway, this is what bending does. And let's go back to taper. So now taper is doing it the wrong way. Let's go back to the original. What I want to show you is really the twist, and I'm gonna use the twist with a UV connection. Let's see what we're gonna have. Switch to edges. Let's see, I think we need to separate it and slice it. There you go. That's kind of geometry that I was talking about. So you can twist and also you can do a taper. And as a result, you get this for free, like this guy and this guy as well. Maybe we need to turn on the cyclic. I'm gonna save this real quick. I don't know what to call it, just a funny or simple deform structure. So we have this guy, and I also want the other one. So like that. That's interesting. The other one actually doesn't move. Okay, maybe I don't use the taper, just the twist. I can do the tapering right over here. So now we have this kind of design, and you can use something like polyline viewer or skin modifier. Say if I just plug that in, and so that's the vertices and that's the edges. Let's make the other one, call it better. There you go. That's the structure that I was talking about. Probably at this stage, we can use a single value for the angle. So now we have that kind of design. There are two separate objects at the moment. Actually, this one is also multiple objects. We can join them. Like so. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it that I want to show you. I actually have a setup that I did earlier. So this is another, actually very similar to before. Maybe I did something different here. Yeah, I'm actually using remove double as well to clean up the points. So the bending still happening there. It's kind of almost perfect, but I think, yeah, this is quite a nice structure. And the nice thing is that we can still change this as we like. I don't know if you can print this out, but this would be nice, like for like a cloth. This one seems to have a cap. This is actually slightly different from the one I did before. So I'm probably gonna give this one and the other one. It's probably the same anyway. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this live noding. Let me know what you think. If you have any question, feedback, suggestion, let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.